So now let me try, in a slightly philosophical sense, to reflect to you how I think about risk, how I think you might consider risk, through 4 basic points. Number 1, there was a professor at the London Business School who said, risk means more things can happen than will happen. For most events that lie in the future, there are a number of things that could occur. We don't know which one it will be. That's where the risk comes in. More things can happen than will happen. Number 2, as a result of that, the future should be viewed not as a fixed outcome that's destined to happen and capable of being predicted, but as a range of possibilities, and hopefully, because you have some insight into their respective likelihoods, as a probability distribution. The most likely, the less likely, the unlikely, but not impossible. Number 3, it's important to accept that even when you know the probabilities, that doesn't mean you know what's going to happen. This is something that I think many people fail to grasp. I play a lot of backgammon, and a lot of my examples on risk and uncertainty come from the game of backgammon, which is played with a pair of dice. And when you roll your pair of dice, we know exactly in advance what the probabilities are. Each die has 6 sides. There are 36 possible combinations of the 6 sides. We know how many of them, for example, will add up to 7. And 7 is the most likely single outcome. 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. There are 6 possibilities out of the 36 that will give you a 7. That's the most likely outcome. 6 out of 36, that's 16.7% probability. Now, what if instead you want to know about a 6? Well, with the 6, there are 5 possibilities. 5 possibilities out of 36, that's a little less than a 7th. And then when you get down to the number 2, there's only 1 out of 36. And for the number 12, only 1, 6, 6. 1 out of 36. Both of those are about a 3% probability of happening. So we know exactly what the probability distribution looks like. We know what's the most likely, the other likely possibilities, and the unlikely possibilities. We still don't know what's going to happen.